This is the Orbit Pro Series hose nozzle with thumb control, 8 spray patterns, and lifetime warranty. The thumb control takes some strength to move, so you won't accidentally turn this on. It has 8 spray patterns you can cycle through. The head is made of plastic, but the body is metal construction. It includes a washer. Let's connect it and check out the spray patterns. Mist. Jet. Full. Horizontal sweep. Vertical sweep. Shower. Cone. And center. There's a slight dribble when changing the water pattern, but it is not a leak. It eventually stops, and only happens when changing the water pattern. And there it is, the Orbit Pro Series hose nozzle.